up, YouTube? Teddy Westside here for another video. Today we are in my 2017 MK7 GTI. Currently right now the car is APR Stage 2. It has an AWE track ignition exhaust, and the reason why I'm bringing up those two modifications is because, as you can probably tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to give you my thoughts and review on the APR Pops and Bangs, or exhaust crackle tune as it's actually called. For those of you that don't know, APR came out with an exhaust crackle tune which makes your car exhaust, crackle or pop and bang. It is a free upgrade to get once you go stage 2 with APR, or a free option. I decided to go with this option because it does have an on and an off feature, so I thought, why not have the ability to make my exhaust crackle and pop, and then just be normal whenever I want to be normal. If you don't know, the way to engage the Pops and Bangs tune is you need to click the button for the driving mode, and then you actually need to click Sport on the infotainment center. Now, if you don't click the Sport mode in the infotainment center, then you're not really in the Pops and Bangs tune, because if you do go into Sport mode, then turn your car off, the next time you get in your car, you're still in Sport mode, but you haven't engaged the Pops and Bangs tune. It does take a second for it to actually kick in, but I can already tell now that it is on because I'm popping and banging, as you can probably hear right there. Today I'm filming on my GoPro. I do also have an external mic because I think the audio quality on the GoPro Hero 5 is awful. Hopefully the external mic will help a little bit. I do also plan, after I'm done talking to you, to strap this to the back of the car so that I can give you some better sound clips, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So there's 3 ways to get your car to pop and bang. One is just hitting the gas and letting off, and then shifting. When you upshift and downshift, you will get the pops and bangs like this. I don't know if you could really hear that from inside the car. Sometimes they're louder than others. I don't really know exactly how this tune works, whether it's dumping more fuel into the system, or if it's retarding the timing or whatever. But I have learned 3 ways to make your car pop and bang. When you hit the accelerator and you let off, it'll do it a couple times, and then, like I said, when you upshift, and then also when you downshift, which is probably the loudest. Again, it's not really making that much noise right now. I don't know if it's because the exhaust is kind of cold still, or because I just put it into the mode. There are times where it's louder than others. Again, I don't really know what makes it kind of do it. It just kind of does it when you either let off the gas or shift. So what are my thoughts on it? Well, I think it's fun to have. It's definitely what I would call a gimmick. I don't think this makes the car any faster. I don't know if it's necessarily the most healthiest thing for the engine. APR does say that it has cautions built into this where it won't really pop and bang when the conditions aren't suitable. I don't really know what those conditions are, if the turbo gets too hot or whatever. But like I said, it is fun to have, going around town if you're driving with your friends, making a ruckus. I know Russ and I were driving the other day. He has it on his car, and I obviously have it on my car, so it was fun to kind of go around town and make a bunch of noise. Try to get some noise here. Okay, so again, I'm pulled over here in review. I do think it's a lot of fun to have. I do like that you can turn it on and off, because there's always not the time where I think it's appropriate to be in this mode. Like for instance, when I'm going out grocery shopping with my wife, I don't really feel the need to be popping and banging all throughout town, drawing the attention of people or cops. So it is nice that you do have the feature to go in there and turn it off. I do want to make a note though, that even when, at least for me and my exhaust setup, I'm sure it's true for most people, when I am not in the exhaust crackle mode and I downshift, I rev match when I downshift, I still do get the pops and bangs. So like if you are around a cop and you don't want to make any of that noise, you got to figure out a different way to downshift, but don't rev match. So like I said, guys, I just wanted to kind of give you my thoughts and opinions on this tune. I do want to try to maybe get my car dyno tested and maybe see if they could do a pull with it just like in normal mode and then in the sport mode with the pops and bangs to see if there is any difference in performing. I'm guessing that there probably is. Again, I don't really know what it is, but I do think it would make your car a little bit slower. But I'm now going to strap the GoPro to the back of the car and get you some sound clips from back there of what the car actually sounds like. So that's going to be all for me. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. If you're stopping in for the first time, my name's Teddy Westside. I do a lot of videos based around my Mark 7 GTI. Currently right now it's got a Forged Motorsports blow-off valve, a CTS high-flow turbo inlet, APR Downpipe with a high-flow cat, APR Stage 2 with the exhaust crackle feature, and AWE tuning track edition exhaust with the diamond black tips. If you have any questions on anything about this video or anything about my car, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.